Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 1.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has witnessed a decline of 2.63%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.66% since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this could present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the price breaks below the lower trend line at $581.15, it would signal a strong sell, indicating a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests an expected change of approximately negative 1.37% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between negative 4.88% and 19.78%. In the long run, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 38.20%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 34.92% and 74.38% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price between $813.01 and $1,050.78. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock price down 1.37% on Thursday. The Meta stock price fell by 1.37% on the last day, Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, from $610.98 to $602.58. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.36%, ranging from a day low of $600.10 to a day high of $614.25. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day, coinciding with the stock's decline, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, with a total of 10 million shares exchanged for approximately $6.27 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $740.89, while the lowest price reached $414.50. Currently, the price is 18.67%, or $138.31, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is currently in the spotlight due to recent changes in leadership and strategic developments. 2 senior executives, Dan Neary and Kate Hamill, are departing, which raises concerns about the potential impact on Meta's growth in the Asia-Pacific market and its advertising strategies in the United States. This situation may lead to increased uncertainty among investors, which could affect the stock price in the short term as the company navigates these transitions. In another significant development, CEO Mark Zuckerberg has introduced a new Friends tab on Facebook, aimed at reviving the platform's original essence by emphasizing posts from friends and family. This feature could enhance user engagement and potentially boost advertising revenue, which may positively affect Meta's stock performance in the longer term. Despite facing regulatory and economic challenges, Meta continues to outperform its Magnificent Seven peers in the current market landscape. This resilient performance, alongside signs of a broader recovery in internet stocks, positions Meta favorably as investors grow more optimistic. With the overall sentiment suggesting a potential rebound in stock prices, analysts remain attentive to how these changes will impact Meta's long-term trajectory. Therefore, Meta's strategic moves and executive shifts are essential factors to monitor in today's dynamic market environment. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Meta a strong buy rating coupled with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, Scotiabank reported a sector perform rating for Meta, also with a hold recommendation. On the same day, BMO Capital also rated Meta as market perform, again with a hold recommendation. Continuing on that Thursday, Cowen and Company provided Meta with a buy rating, accompanied by a hold recommendation. Lastly, on that Thursday, UBS also rated Meta as a buy, maintaining a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Meta stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Meta stock indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is evident from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $603.58 and $651.94. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen 3.47%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal identified. Pivots, buy signal recorded 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal indicated 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal noted 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal identified 20 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal identified 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal noted 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal identified 3 days ago. If you are interested in exploring more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $597.99, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $14.15 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.36%. In the last week, the stock's daily average volatility reached 2.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with established track records or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $5.33. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $659.88. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $597.99. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of March, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider sell of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Olivan Javier conducted an insider buy of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, RSU of Class A. On the 20th of March, 2025, Bosworth Andrew conducted an insider buy of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, RSU of Class A. On the 20th of March, 2025, Cox Christopher K. conducted an insider buy of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, RSU of Class A. On the 20th of March, 2025, Anderson Aaron conducted an insider buy of 5,303 shares of restricted stock units, RSU of Class A. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 14.438. Overall, insiders purchased 202,871 shares and sold 155,366 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several negative signals, and we believe its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of March, we expect Meta to open higher by $3.06, starting at $605.64. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of monetary loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.